Hi, today we are going to start with our textbook. Let's get familiarized with the text first. See, this is your main course book. Course book is written here. See, this is your main course book, and then we have a workbook. So, this is your workbook. Workbook is written here, and then we have another book named as literature. Okay, these three are our textbooks, and the main text is this one. The other two are only supporting things. Now let's go with the text. Now let's see what is this. Yes, this is a cartoon done by R.K. Lakshman. Now we are going to learn a lesson related to R.K. Lakshman. See, this is our first unit. What is the name of the first unit? When I was a child. Now here we can see in the beginning of the lesson a quote by Jerry Smith. Childhood is the most beautiful of all life seasons. This unit is completely about different type of childhood memories and experiences. Let's see, there is a box here. Here in the first column, age is given. Here event, here place, and here people who were with you. What you have to do here is, when you were in your last year or before years, some incidents or events might have happened, right? Now you have to fill that like this. First you have to write the age, at what age the event happened. And then in the second you have to write which event happened. And the third, which place it happened. And the fourth one, who all were with you. For example, I can tell it, last year I attended a wedding. So how I can fill it? Here in the column age I can write 40. Here in the column of events I can write wedding, and here in the column of place I can write Malappuram, and here in the last column I can write my family. If I need, I can write my husband, my children, detailed also. Like that you have to fill it, this column with 2 incidents. Hope you understood it. Now let's go with the lesson. Now here section 1, through a colored glass. Just have a silent reading of the lesson now, and after completing it, after watching the video and after the completing the class, you have to take second or third paragraph from the lesson, and then you have to make a loud reading and send it to me as an audio. Now you have 3 homeworks, right? Let's go with the lesson now. And Lakshman says that he was staying in an old house when he was a child, and he says that there was a window in his house which was having different colored glasses, and one day the window glass broke down, and R.K. Lakshman saw the glass pieces broken down and fallen on the floor. He just started looking at the glass pieces, taking them on his hands, and in a sudden he happened to see through the glass, which means he just looked at the glass and could see the other side of the glass, or the things appearing in the glass through it. It was transparent, that's why he could do that. Now at the beginning he could see the blue glass. The first one which he could see was the blue glass. Things were really strange, unfamiliar, fearful, and really horrible for him. Even the cow was looking blue, the gardener was looking blue, the sun was blue, and everything was unhappy. He felt it really fearful that he put the blue glass down there and then took the green glass piece. When he looked through the green glass piece, it was quite calm, and everything was really well in its appearance, smooth in its appearance. Even the gardener was green, shoveling things, and the cow was looking cool, and the sky was looking cool, the sun was cool, everything was cool through the green glass. With the curiosity, even though the green glass was making things peaceful, he took the red glass and tried that also. But things changed into a war field in a sudden. The dog was trying to attack, and the cow was looking really horrible, and the gardener was digging a skeleton from under the neem tree. All the things were looking like he was there in a war field. It looked really horrible that he put down the red glass piece and he looked through the green glass piece again to see things peaceful. And on that evening, his parents were out and he was free enough to play. That is the reason why he was able to look through the different colored glasses. Otherwise, parents won't allow the small children to play with such dangerous things. Am I right? You also will not be allowed to play with such things. Now let's go with the fourth paragraph, the next page. Page number 13. The first paragraph in page number 13. Here, R.K. Lakshman says that it was his first communication with his surroundings. Which means till that time he never had such a look at his surroundings. Now he loved looking through different colored glasses and enjoying all those things. Now he says finally that was his first sign of seeing his interest, showing his interest in visual things. He became a cartoonist and a painter in his later life. All these things were just because he started showing interest in visual things. He started observing things in different ways. That all showed his future life safe as a successful painter or a cartoonist. I hope you understood this portion. We'll continue the lesson in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.